Here's the Hyundai Tucson. Now this child door lock feature is only on the rear doors, not the front doors. So let's go ahead and open up the rear left door, and right over there is a slot where you put in your car key. So get your key fob, press that button, get the physical key out, put it right over there in that slot and twist it left. Now the feature is activated. I can still open it from outside. However, if I get on the inside and close the door, no matter what I do, lock, unlock, doesn't matter. I will not be able to open it. So how am I going to get out? I'm going to slide over there and open that door and get out because we haven't activated the feature over here yet. Now open up the left side door from outside and let's put the key back in over there, and now twist your right to deactivate the feature. That's it. Now it's deactivated. I can open it from outside, and on the inside when I close the door, the lock position doesn't open. Unlock, it does open, and that's good. Let's repeat the process for the right side door. Open the door, right over there is a key slot, put it right there and then twist your right. That's the only difference. You have to twist your right for the right side door to activate the feature. Just follow the arrow over there. Now on the inside, when I close the door, no matter what I do, I cannot open it. So how am I going to get out? You already know it. So if you do have a child in the back seat, make sure you activate this feature separately for both the doors, because you don't want the child to just get out of the seat, slide to the other side and cause any issues by opening the door. So for now, let's just go over here, open this door and get out. Open the right side door from outside, put the key back inside over there and then twist it left to deactivate, and that's it. Now it's deactivated. I can still open it from outside, and on the inside in the lock position I should not be able to open it, and in the unlock I should be able to open, and I can, and that's it. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.